All that stress on my brain, right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right? Need a week to think, maybe.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. Today we're gonna do some unboxing, as well as we're gonna talk about these Jordan lows, and I'm gonna specifically a couple pairs. So we're gonna go over a couple pairs that have not came out yet but have surfaced. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join your boy DaRetroWizKid in the sneaker dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated, and it does not go unnoticed. Let's try to get this video right here up to 100 likes. Splack that like button over here for your boy DaRetroWizKid. And y'all already know, whatever it is that you do, just do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day it don't matter as long as you gave your best. And drop a comment down below and let me know how you guys feeling with the Jordan 1 lows this year. I know I did a video previously about 3 pair of lows that have come out, but today is 3 more pairs that I really want to talk about and get them off my chest. Get it! First and foremost, shout out to my bro Josh over at AIRSTIK Skins. I got this dope cradle in right here, and y'all, we gonna unbox this thing. It is an off-white cradle. I'm gonna show you, hit y'all with a little B-roll so y'all can see what that thing looking like and what it actually does. We gotta find the knife. Alright, y'all, so we just gonna slide this bad boy on open right here. Yo, make sure we don't, you know what I'm saying? And I will be linking up with Josh at SneakerCon Dallas this weekend, so that's gonna be extra fuego, y'all already know. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open, man. So right here in, y'all can check it out, man. We have the AIRSTIK with the off-white branding right here. It is an AIRSTIK cradle, as you guys can see. I'm gonna show you guys how that thing looking when you put it on the wall and everything as well. Let's go ahead and get it out the plastic. We have the AIRSTIK right here with the off-white branding. On the back right here, it does have this removable film that you have to take off, but it does say, it does have instructions, and it tells you, do clean the area before sticking it there. That way you know it's all good and it's clean. It did come with the AIRSTIK thank you card as well, and it tells a little bit about and gives you a little bit of instructions as well. But we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys how it's supposed to look. So as of right now, y'all, like I said, I decided to put that thing so I can see right behind while I'm recording my videos and stuff like that. I can see everything. I think that joint is dope. So if somebody's calling me, because a lot of times people call me while I'm making videos and I have my phone on silent, at least now I had that thing, I can have it propped up just like this, so that while I'm shooting, if I'm standing up or something like that, at least I know that I can see. As y'all see, I got my tripod right there. I can see who's calling me while I'm recording. I think that thing is hella dope. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that thing, man. And of course, you can put it to the side if you want to watch a movie or if you want to read something or something like that. You can put it right there. But very, very, very fuego, man. Shout out to my bro Josh, man. We did get this as well that comes inside of it. Now this is really, really dope, y'all. This is it is a Blaze card. Now I don't know what a Blaze is for, but it is a Blaze card, y'all. So you know what I'm saying, you can put your little, you can store your quarters and pennies and stuff like that all up in there, you know what I'm saying. Put all your loose change up in that thing. Blaze card. And then you do have this dope keychain. It is a 2-in-1 keychain right here. You can just throw this on your keychain if you want to have it. Fast charge thing, you already know. And of course, you guys can see the AIRSTIK right there. It has a strong magnet as well that clips right there, and there's the keychain, and bada bing, bada boom, y'all. So like, that cradle is dope, y'all. Right now, like making my video, I can stick my cradle over there and be looking to see if somebody calling me. Instead of me looking down, I can just see straight ahead that, you know, somebody's calling me over there. But this next unboxing is from Edward Daniels. Shout out to the bro Edward Daniels for sending over this package for your boys GDAY. So you already know, man. Y'all already know. Let's get this thing open. Let's see what we got up in the box, man. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Bruh, hey, I appreciate that, G. Hey, y'all, alright, so if y'all didn't know, your boy, and this is crazy, bruh. This is crazy right here. If y'all didn't know, your boy is a huge Coming to America fan. Like, come on, man. I grew up on that. You know what I'm saying? And what? Hey, man, check this out, y'all. Check this out right here, man. Check this out. Bro, Edward Daniels sent over Prince Akeem, and he sent over my boy Simi. So look, y'all. Hey, she's your queen to be. No, I'm just messing with y'all, man. Yo, shout out to the bro for these Funkos, man. So y'all know I jumped into the Funko game based off of Jordan stuff. I wanted everything Jordan related. I picked up the Miles Morales because he had the ones on and he had the Spider-Man one, so I wanted to make him a set. Picked up number 54, 55, 56 of the Jordan Funkos as well. And then I went to the dark side and I picked up a LeBron Funko from Foot Locker, and I also have the Muhammad Ali Funko, and I have the Migos pre-order. So now I got Simi and Prince Akeem, man, and this is dope, bro. I appreciate that, man. Now I might have to go look for Randy Watson, you know what I'm saying? My bro Edward Daniels sent over the Funkos, and I am truly humble, and I appreciate it, G. Really, really dope, man, to get these for the G-Day, bro. Blessings, man. So, in particularly, I wanted to talk about 4 shoes that haven't released, and that is the Shattered Backboard low, the Court Purple low, the Gold Toe low, and the Laker low. Man, I must say, I want all 4 of them things, y'all, and I didn't want to break down the videos. I just wanted to talk about these in one video. $90, affordable. You can always use a coupon at Foot Locker or stuff like that. If you got a $20 coupon, you get the things for $70. I mean, 70 bones ain't that bad for the shoe. I mean, you think about it, you go buy a pair of Vans, they're like $50, $64 or something like that by the time you add tax. So, not really bad. And I mean, it's the summer of lows, I feel like. I really didn't rotate the lows in my 30 days of AJ1s yet. You know, I'm just going, I rocked them a little bit before, but I haven't rotated them. But I want to know how you guys feel. Now, looking at the Shattered Backboard pair and looking at the Court Purple pair, both pairs seem to be dressed pretty much the same. They didn't make that many changes other than the colorway. That's about it. I do think that it's a great substitute for those that don't have a pair of Shattered Backboards and you want the color. And I mean, a lot more affordable than paying $1,000 for that shoe. And as well as for the Court Purples. Court Purples are going for about almost $300 in my size. And I think that that is a very dope substitute as well. Quality wise, it's not going to be the same. It'll never be the same. I have not yet to see a pair of one lows that met up the expectations of a high anyway. It normally has that mid type of feeling to them, except it's just low. Then you have the Gold Toe low, which patent leather, great substitute. Again, if you don't own the Gold Toe, then that's a great substitute. That's a great shoe to pick up for a cheaper price. And if you don't mind the lows, that's the thing. I don't understand why people don't like the lows. I can see where they say, like, you know, the SB type feeling and all that stuff. I got you. I feel you on that. But for me, I just love them. I love the lows, man. And it's a dope shoe for the summer. I think that is the summer shoe that is winning this year. Now, the colorway that really struck me, y'all, is this Laker colorway. Man, this thing is fuego too, man. I'm digging it. You got that Royals front. You see you got the Laker checks and stuff. You got the hints of the 23 with the red and the yellow, as well as the Jumpman and the inside of the shoe. You guys can see that same thing going on with the different colors, mix matching it, making it feel like a What the Vibe. On the ankle, you got that red. Like, it's a dope shoe, and I love how they do the Wings logo on the lows right now. So very, very affordable shoes, man. How do you guys feel about these lows? I did do a video, like a full review on some lows, and did it on foot, but I just wanted to know how you guys really feel about the upcoming low releases that are going to be supposed to drop this year, because I think that they're fuego. I think that, honestly, I'm going after all of those, and especially Shattered Backboards. That's an instant cop. I just think they're all great substitutes for highs, and the only one that sticks out that hasn't had a high is that top 3. I'm saying it look like a top 3, but it's a Laker top 3. I mean, nickname Laker top 3, what the top 3, whichever one you want to call it. But I think they're all fuego. Y'all let me know how you guys feel about them. Are you guys looking forward to picking these up? You know, very, very dope to have a low. You know what I'm saying? Have a low to have a high. If you want to have both of them in your collection, go for it. You can beat the low, keep the high. high on you know, a cleaner type of basis, and just rock that when you want to wear the high, wear the low to the club or some shit. If you want to go out to the club, wear the low out, but you don't mind somebody stepping on your shoes or something like that in a crowded space. And easier to clean, affordable, resale on them probably not gonna be stupid high. I could probably say out of all of those, the shattered backboard pair probably might have the highest one. And I mean, what the hell ever happened to the Flynet shattered backboard low? I mean, I remember when we seen that surface and I thought we were getting the Flynet shattered backboard last year, but we never got it. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this means that these sneakers will be releasing. I really hope they drop these in the heart of the summer, because you know, summer started last Friday. It's official, we in there. Let's get these out, man. Let's get these lows. Let me know how you guys feel about them. Cop a drop on all the pairs, man. And you know, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. I should have a special box coming in for my G-Day tomorrow as well, for my bro Tops World over there. So you know what I'm saying, shout out to the gang, shout out to my broski, man. And y'all already know SneakerCon Dallas this weekend, we lit, y'all. Make sure you guys go follow your boy on Instagram if you guys haven't yet. Check out my Instagram, DaRetroWizKid. Your boy been going ham. 30 days at AJ1s. Over there on Twitter at Wiz_retro, and I do follow back, y'all. And don't forget to splash that like button over there on Facebook. Y'all know what time it is. I'm gonna let the picture spin so you guys can check out these lows. Don't forget, go ahead over there to SOLEPREMISE, shop SOLEPREMISE, save 30% off using the code RetroWizKid at the checkout, man. And I'm telling you, man, you get that 30% off. Cop you a SOLEPREMISE bag, carry 5 shoes. Some pairs hold 4, some pairs hold 3, 2, you know, however many shoes you really want to put in it, you can get in it. But it is TSA approved. You ain't got to worry about that thing going underneath the plane. Have them things right above your head in the compartment, or put it right underneath the seat in front of you. Well as Shop Balls Gear, save 25% off using WizKid on your next purchase. So I know this video gonna go up late because I've been lollygagging, y'all. As y'all see, I went from standing to sitting down. I was just like cutting the video, doing this here, there, doing. You already know how I go, man. But it's your boy, the Retro WizKid. I love y'all, man, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow in the next video. Yeah.